Hi guys, we are at the bus. What's in the bus? In or out? And then kasama ko dito si Sammy. So, we're going to
video mo lang ganun, no? Ito yung nambubuli, oh. Zoom mo sa mukha.
Bait po kayo.
Suspect na bubuli na yan.
So hi guys, so andito po tayo ngayon sa isang coffee shop sa may Tomas Morato. So dito po kami papatay muna, papachill, paparelax while waiting sa time. Kasi it's the year-end party ng TA. It's the TA year-end party here in Quezon City. So kasama ko po sila. Chill. So ayan. Kaya pa today. Kaya today. So ayun na nga. While we are killing the time, prepare na po kami in a bit. Kasi we need to change our OOTD. So ayun si Samo. Busy siya ngayon eh. Yan pa isa. Busy na naman. Busy ikaw. nag-ice cream ka? Fried chicken. Ako dyan. So, ayan. So, ayun. Dahil nanalo tayo. Baguio won. So, we have ice cream and it's fried chicken.
Sinabihan nyo ba nadadaanan tayo dito?
Team Earth. Beauty girl. Lagi namin nag